Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
Yomi Fabiyi, you think you are powerful? Hakeem Odumosu threatening people, trying to shut me up, doing all sorts. This is the judgment of the courts. Sherry, ìdájọ́ Ọlọ́run ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni o. This judgment is for the survivors. Now, I have begged God in more than a year. Nítorí ọ̀rọ̀ yín, mo ti bẹ̀ Ọlọ́run tì yín. Yomi Fabiyi, láti èní lọ, pẹ̀lú àṣẹ ni mo sọ. Gbogbo ibi tí o bá wọ̀, ibi ni o máa kó wọ bẹ̀. Gbogbo ohun tí o bá ń ṣe, ibi ló máa kọjú sí ẹ. Gbogbo ẹni tó bá kọjú sí ẹ láti ṣe ẹ́ láàánú, ègún ayérayé á bọ́ sí orí wọn. Gbogbo ilẹ̀ tí o bá tẹ̀ á máa jù ẹ́. Gbogbo ọ̀nà tí o bá gbà á ṣókùnkùn fún ẹ. Yomi, after Ijesha was sentenced today, you came to court to say o fẹ́ appeal. Ìwọ tó ò tí ì mọ nǹkan tó ń bọ̀ fún ẹ. Go and count everybody that you came with. Those you brought to court, go and count them. Lọ wò wọ́n lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan, níbo ló wà? Àwọn míì ti kú, àwọn míì wà lórí àìsàn. Bó jẹ́ fẹ́ gbọ́, Yomi Fabiyi, títí di ìran kejì ẹ, gbogbo ọmọ tó bá ti ara ẹ jáde ni mo sọ. Gbogbo ọmọ tó bá ti ara ẹ jáde, ò ní jèrè wọn. Gbogbo ilé tí o bá wọ̀, wàá mú ẹkún wọbẹ̀. Gbogbo ọ̀nà tí o bá tẹ̀, á ṣókùnkùn fún ẹ. Wàá béèrè fún ìrànlọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ọlọ́run á kọ ẹ̀yìn sí ẹ. Àdàbí tí Bíbélì yìí, tí ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run tó bá sọ wípé ká má tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ wa. Àmọ́ tó bá jẹ́ pé Ọlọ́run fẹ́ ká tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ wa. Tó bá jẹ́ pé Ọlọ́run ó fẹ́ràn àwọn ọmọdé. Yomi Fabiyi, láti èní lọ ó dẹni ìkọ̀sílẹ̀. Gbogbo ibi tí o bá lọ ò ní rí àánú Ọlọ́run. Láti èní lọ, ìbínú Ọlọ́run ẹlẹ́ta ìlérò ó bọ́ sí orí ẹ̀. Yomi Fabiyi, nítorí pé o kọ̀, o ò dẹ̀yìn lẹ́yìn èmi àti ẹbí mi, because you decided láti sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀dí eṣiṣi tó ń bá òkú wọnú sáré. Bí Fẹ́rò àti àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ṣe parun sínú òkú pupa tí wọ́n parẹ́, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o ṣe máa parẹ́. Ní orúkọ Jésù, ní agbára ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù, ní agbára tó wà nínú ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù, àdàbí tí Bíbélì bá sọ pé kí a má tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ wa. But if the Bible does not support evil, if the word of God does not support evil, Yomi, you still left your home today to come to court, to continue to try and victimize the survivors, to try and play, I don't care what you're doing, whether you are doing money clout or I don't care. I'm not one for clout. I don't have time for that. When I started in this job, I don't know where you are, but everything I have done, I have tried my best as a human being to work hard for my. I will never come out and start to make myself a person that will say, "Oh, these children must die." That's what you did, Yomi. And the problem with you is you don't know when to stop. Yomi Fabiyi, the problem with you is you don't know where to stop. Láti èní lọ ó dẹni ìkọ̀sílẹ̀, ó dẹni ègún. Láti èní títí dé ìran ìkejì ẹ, gbogbo ọmọ tó bá ti ara ẹ jáde ò ní jèrè wọn. Gbogbo ilé tó bá wọ̀, ẹkún òṣì àdánù ló máa wún wọbẹ̀. Gbogbo èèyàn tó bá dìde fún ìrànlọ́wọ́ ẹ, gbogbo ègún tó wà nínú Bíbélì fún gbogbo àwọn tó bá ṣe ọmọ níbi, ó bọ́ sí orí wọn ní orúkọ Jésù Mósè Orímọládé. Kò sí bó ṣe lè ṣe, gbogbo ibi tó bá mọ̀ ní kó lọ o. Anywhere you go ní kó lọ. Wàá bá mi níbẹ̀. Lọ bèrè lọ́wọ́ Lanre. You know you are never Lanre's friend. You started this because you wanted attention for yourself. You have gotten the attention. Yomi, dira o, ogun Ọlọ́run bọ̀. Kò ń ṣerú ogun eléyìí o. You know you still have a case in court for child pornography. And when you were invited to zone 2, your friend asked you to leave the country. Yomi, even if you travel out, even if you run, I ask you, can you run from the wrath of God? From today, the wrath of God is upon you. You are cursed. Gbogbo nǹkan tí o bá dáwọ́ ẹ lé, àdàbí tí ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run yìí o tó bá sọ pé ká ṣe àwọn ọmọ wa níbi. Tí ó bá rí bẹ́ẹ̀ Yomi, o ò ní rí bá ti ṣe ò ní rọ́nà gbégbà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún ẹ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún ẹ. Yomi, lọ dira. Ìjà ń bọ̀. Kò ń ṣe ìjà kọ́ọ̀tì o. Gbogbo ọwọ́ tẹ́ gbé ni mo rí. You thought I would die. I looked at Lanre. After a week, videos confessing. And what's his name? Musa. All of a sudden, videos start to get missing. Blessing, Musa. Wherever you go, you will never find favor. Ben Musa fún yín. Ẹ máa gbọ́rí ni. You will be ẹ máa di òjìji ara yín because you used your hands to bring sorrow into my life. Sorrow will never leave you. Sorrow will never depart from you. Ben Musa fún ẹ. I am not one of those people that need to come online and I don't need followers to like me. I don't need to pretend for followers to like me. I'm myself. Because I did a favor for somebody who said he needed help. Because I did a favor for somebody I felt I could make an impact in his life. You feel that you can come against me and keep the problem with you, Yomi Fabiyi, is you don't know where to stop. Wàá ṣe ẹ̀sìn kẹ́yìn ayé ẹni. Gbogbo ẹni tó bá dẹ̀ dìde fún ìrànlọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ègún yẹn ti bọ́ sórí wọn títí di ìran keje. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún un. Torí Bíbélì mi ti sọ ti jẹ́ kó yé mi wípé dídìde tẹ́ dìde yẹn ẹ kàn dìde ní fórí ara yín. Gbogbo ọwọ́ tẹ́ gbé orí ara yín lẹ máa fi nà. Gbogbo ọ̀fìn tí ẹ wà nínú ẹ̀ lẹ máa jì sí. Gbogbo páńpẹ́ tẹ́ dẹ sílẹ̀ ó ti di tàwọn ọmọ yín àti tàwọn ọmọ yín. Mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú yín ni. Ìdájọ́ Ọlọ́run tí mò ń béèrè fún Ọlọ́run ti fún mi. Forget the court. The judgment of the court is for all the survivors. They deserve that judgment. They've been through hell. This is for all Olariwaju's victims. For you to know, like I told you, even when some of you backed out, you were scared. You came to court. You saw the way people like Yomi Fabiyi. Yomi Fabiyi is a rape apologist, a rape protector, a rape enabler. Yomi Fabiyi distributes and encourages child pornography. He himself has been accused severally of sexual harassment. Yomi Fabiyi and his so-called courts think that having 5 million Instagram followers or speaking big grammar, it doesn't work with God. This is the judgment of the court. I doff my hat to all the men and women, to the DPP, to all the lawyers that stood for the truth. Some lawyers who came even for the beasts. Halfway they left, but some decided to stay because one or more, they don't know the depth of the love that God has for children. God does not joke with children. God is not man. He doesn't look at physical appearance. He doesn't care if princess is short. He doesn't care if my nose is big. God cares about what is in your heart. You defile a child. You are not sorry. You defile children. You threaten their parents. Because you have somebody backing you. Because you have people backing you. You offer me money, I refuse. And then you start to threaten my life. You try to kill me. You do so many things. But Shebe mi lele. God is king. God cannot be mocked. I want to say to the survivors again, you are beautiful. You are strong. You are wonderfully made. You are the apple of God's eye. Yes, I said I will not mention your names, but you know yourselves. So T, if you are watching, this is for you. A, if you are watching, this is for you. M, if you are watching, this is for you. And to the mothers, to the parents of the survivors, especially the ones who unfortunately are not here to see today, this is for you. Now, to people who feel that they are invincible, Olariwaju James Omiyinka.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.